Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to mirror your iPhone to a 4K television. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to an iPhone, a 4K television that allows you to mirror the iPhone. So we can now start the tutorial. So let's turn the attention to the iPhone, swipe up, screen mirroring, and the television should pop up on screen. That may take some time. If nothing occurs, you must turn on the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth. Go back to screen mirroring. And there we go. The television now shows up on screen. Click on this. Let's turn the attention to the television. So now we can use the iPhone itself on the television. Landscape and portrait mode. And some of you may be wondering, why would we want to do this? Well, when it comes to using the phone, you may want to view the phone in a bigger resolution, a better screen. And so, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.